after a little rinse, then I go ahead and, you know, goes and gets the good stuff. This would be the stage for the karaoke in here.
They have a dedicated spot for it.
Right, that's nice. Cinnamon bread pudding. Ooh. It's got nuts in it.
Man, I better try some. Well, that way you know.
It's kind of like flan, or I'm not for sure.
I've never been a fan of bread pudding, but
yeah.
I'm not chicken. I'm not scared.
Okay. I think I'm gonna wait for dessert.
I'm gonna pull it all the way. That was the peanut butter one.
This is pistachio.
Actually, that was pistachio. I'll do that. Yeah.
Ice cream?
A plate full of cookies, right?
A plate full?
Oh, no.
And then we've got Caribbean pork, jerk pork, minute steak, peppercorn sauce, and baked potatoes. We got some spaghetti over there, too. Let's go over to this little station and see what they have over here. I'm not going to do you a full. Wait, what?
I feel like a coffee, but I just can't do it. I gotta stay with the water, keep purity up, you know, keep the hydration level up.
Yeah, me too. Because actually I'm gonna go get an iced caramel macchiato in a little bit. But not for a couple hours to keep me up all night. So I'm gonna get what Adam calls ship juice.
Ship juice.
This is our first time not getting a refreshment package or a deluxe package.
We're devastated. Devastation is set in.
It's fine. We need to drink more water.
Water's good for you. You know it is.
And he likes the fruit punch. And that's what he likes.
It's not bad.
I would never drink the fruit punch. But he knows because he drinks it, so he knows.
Well, I know that if you're trying to be healthy, you wouldn't drink it at all. You'd just stick with the water and
Hi, you guys. We're trying to chase down our grandchildren. We ain't seen them. We just finally found them.
the moon is full on our first night.